Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Remember My Apps in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll find an option called Windows Backup. Click on Windows Backup, right? There it will be an option to remember your app preferences. Okay, so if it is checked, then what do we say, you will be able to access the same app preferences for the account on different devices. For example, I keep setting my default media player as VLC, though it is a third party media player. But whenever I reset my computer and log in using the same account, VLC automatically becomes the default media player when I install it. Obviously I have to install the app as well on the different device, but the app preferences will be saved accordingly, so I can enable it. I usually prefer to enable it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.